Good morning. This is Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes out here in God's country, Lincolnton, North Carolina. Take a look at that scenery. He's got farmland as far as you can see. You got the top of the hill, you got views of the mountains. Anyway, we're making a video log of a home we just finished called the Mallie. We're going to take a look. This house is, we're just putting the finishing touches on. The people will be taking possession. We're doing a walkthrough next week. Take a look over here, this cul-de-sac. That's a house we finished last fall. The shrubs are starting to come in nicely. The lawn's getting established. And it's the exact same house plan. Just goes to show we can take the same house plan and make it look a lot different. But these clients came and saw that house plan. Can't wait till the porta-johns out of here, obscuring the view. And said they wanted the same one with a few twists. Now, one of the twists is we had that lot, so we sold them that lot, so they have a double lot. And he's plans to be putting a workshop out here for what he builds. We got the lawn coming in real nicely. It's kind of just a started lawn. We did get some rain that's kind of washed out our gully here, but you can see down underneath there, that pipe down there. That's a nice concrete pipe. I don't like using the plastic or the metal because they always end up damaged or crushed by the end of the job. But there's a good result. Most of this grass is coming in a little bit with the water washed out. You have to touch up, but this stabilizes the soil and keeps it from washing away. So this is a perfect time of year. Now they haven't put any shrubs in yet because they're going to do that on their own. But we've got the flower beds built by our good friends up at Simply Better Landscaping. Thus, we've got a shake vent and a gable vent up there for decoration. The gable vents don't really get used anymore. It's your ridge vents that provide you ventilation. Anyway, raised panel garage door. We got 6-inch gutters, and they went with a louvered style cranberry colored shutter, and we put shake on there as well to give it some accent. And I like the cranberry front door. Anyway, we've got some nice wide steps. Friends at R&J Masonry did us a nice job. So let's go take a look inside. You walk in, you get the coat closet first, right to your right. And down there, that's a shut off for your whole house. So you can just go in that closet if you want to shut the water off for any reason. If you need to work on it, or if you're just going away for a while. Anyway, this floor is called LVT, or luxury vinyl plank floor. This product has come a long way from the original laminates and pergos that came out 20 years ago, but it is nice looking stuff. And all this, it's cost comparable to carpet, and it wears like iron. Very high on the indestructibility factor. And I love the color they picked. And you see this is a big, nice open space here in this house plan. Good fireplace here, obviously. Door out to your screen porch. And this big open expanse. So this area here with the chandelier will be your dining area. Nice island kitchen. Nice granite with tile backsplash. Nice tile, subway tile backsplash. Goes with everything. It's not too obtrusive. Anyway, but it matches it. It matches the cabinets really well. It's your island, your seating area, and it's your area for your fridge, cabinets. It's solid plywood cabinets, not particle board. And slow close, ball bearing, slow close drawers. Anyway, this is your dining area. Now in your great room here. Obviously, they're getting their own ceiling fan. As lovely as this light fixture is, they're going to be hanging their own ceiling fan afterwards. So they also got the doors with the blinds built in. And here's a screen porch. Nice screened-in porch. Just the door out back. And hard to see through the trees, but you got lots of farmland, and they got a big, huge lot, so they got all sorts of open space down there. Really cool place. Anyway, that's your back deck. So this is the main kind of expanse of the house. And right here, that's for your washer dryer. Nice big closet for your washer dryer. And we went with a Roman arch, classic Roman arch door, 2-panel. Now the timeless design. Now if you look out in the garage, a nice 2-car garage. Nice concrete work by Lake Norman Concrete Finishing. Let's go take a look. Now, what the trend is, what we're seeing more and more of people wanting to say, just completely eliminate carpet. It's the whole closet. So if you notice in the bedrooms, they went with the same LVT floor. That beautiful color. Did a nice job picking the color. Anyway, bathroom with tub shower unit. We like to put granite. Even on the smaller homes, we like to put granite in the bathroom just because I put cultured marble in my personal house and I hate it. Bedroom number 2, another one of those beautiful light fixtures. We wire them off with ceiling fans, but like I said, they're taking care of that themselves. And nice country view out there. Now let's go check out the master suite. Master suite. We put, they got 4 can lights in here. Once again, they're getting their own fixture there. I'm gonna do that. And no carpet in the master suite. So they put an area rug here, and it has a beautiful wood look floor. Master bath. Got his and hers vanities. I went with a square sink. There's light fixtures. Got a shower with bypass door. Shower with seat. And a can light up there. Perfect. And your master closet. Got a lot of nice shelves. So if this master closet is not big enough for you, then you have too much stuff. Anyway, just kidding there. Like that. Receptacle in the mirror, but it's mirrored. So it's got a mirrored bevel plate over it. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so that is a tour of the house with the floor plan. Got everything you need with a nice open space. There's open space out here. We're building more of these in the neighborhood. Here's what the floor looks like. It's got a click lock. Clicks together. So if there was something damaged, you could just pull the shoe mold and pull up and replace each individual plank. And we did a granite surround to match the kitchen. Nice granite surround on the fireplace. And our good friends over at Superior Trim built us that nice mantelpiece. And you got your TV hookups up there. Up above. And your switches for your gas fireplace. Nice gas log from my friends over at Freeman Gas. I got the same one in my house. Works very well. Anyway, take one more look out front. That pretty much wraps up the video for this home. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we appreciate you visiting our site.